Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Right-click a page element and choose Inspect, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus I on Windows and CMD plus Option plus I on Mac to open Developer Tools. The panel docks to the page and shows elements, console, network, sources, and more so you can view HTML and styles side by side. If you need room, use the three-dot menu to undock into a separate window. Familiarize yourself with the Elements tab, where the DOM tree is highlighted as you hover. And note that selecting nodes reveals matched CSS rules in the Styles pane. With Elements active, press Ctrl plus F to search the current DOM node, or press Ctrl plus Shift plus F to search across all panels like Sources and Network. Enter plain text, CSS selectors, or start and end with slashes to use regex. Wrap phrases in quotes for exact matches. Press Enter to cycle matches, and use Shift plus Enter to go backward. Results are highlighted inline and shown with file names and line numbers, so you can jump directly to the source or to the matching DOM node in one click. After getting matches, narrow them with filters such as element, div, attribute, href, or type text to focus results quickly. Click any result to jump to that DOM node or source file, then edit HTML or CSS inline to test fixes. Changes apply locally and help debug layout or logic. Navigate results with the arrow keys, press ESC to clear the search highlight, and export edited files or copy snippets if you need to persist changes in your project. Remember that edits in Developer Tools are temporary until saved to your codebase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.